Welcome to Code.org's Music Lab. With Music Lab, students will be able to explore how creativity and coding come together to make music. By creating their own songs using coding concepts like sequencing and decomposition and configuring an AI beat block, students will learn foundational computer science concepts. They will also be introduced to careers that intersect with tech and music through inspiring career spotlights from professionals in the industry, including at Amazon Music. Students will be watching videos and listening to music during this activity, so headphones are highly encouraged. Students will begin by watching an introductory video that explores various careers where technology and creativity intersect. This is also where students will change the language. To change the language, students go to the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Note that this only adds subtitles to the videos that students will interact with, but it does change all the text throughout the activity. For each level, students will begin by reading the instructions on the left side of the screen. They can also click the speaker button on the right bottom hand side of the box to listen for instructions.
Play a sound. Drag the play block and connect it under when run.
Upon completion of the task, students will click the continue button to move to the next challenge. The progress bar at the top of the screen shows students how many lessons they've completed and how many more lessons they have to go. As students are creating their music, they can click the audio file to preview the music before adding it to their project. Beginning on level 4, students will be able to hear from industry professionals about what they do. Students will need to read or click to listen to the audio by clicking the audio button to interact with the program.
I work together with coders to build cool products. I'm a product manager.
Upon reading or listening to the professional, students will click Next to continue through the lesson. If students make a mistake, they can easily delete a block by clicking and dragging it to the left side of the screen and a trash can will appear. The program will provide feedback under their instructions if they make a mistake, and then will give them clues on what they need to do next to fix their mistake to move to the next level. Beginning on level 8, students will interact with an AI tool to create new beats. Students will read or click the audio button to listen to the directions, and then practice training the AI to help create their beat. On the final level, level 17, students will be able to begin creating their own songs based on what they've learned from the previous lessons. Really helpful is the documentation on the left side of the screen. Students can click that to open to a new tab and click through the different blocks to find out what they do and how to use them. Once students are completely done with their project, they can click Finish to then share their project. They'll click Copy Link to Project, and you can have students share this in Schoology for their peers to see. When they click Finish with the project, they can type their name in and click Submit, and it will provide them with the completion certificate for the hour of code.